ArtAway.com is a new opportunity to explore Italian art cities from the comfort of your home. You can book online tours of cities in Italy like Rome, Florence, Venice, and see museums, art pieces, and landmarks. An expert guide will lead a tour live, which means you will be able to ask them any questions as if you were there in person. Just pick a destination you like and then choose one of the several tours we offer. Some of the tours will show you the main things to do in that destination. Some others will allow you to learn more about a specific artist, certain artworks and local traditions. Once you have chosen a tour, pick a date and a time among those available that also fits your schedule. You can book individually or in group, with your friends for example, or even with your students if you're a teacher. Once you're done booking, we will send you an email with a link that will allow you to join the online tour from your laptop or mobile device. All you need to do now is click on that link a few minutes before the time the tour is scheduled to begin. And don't worry, we'll send you an additional reminder the day of the tour to make sure you have it handy. Once you've clicked on the link, just wait for your guide and the other participants to join and get ready to enjoy your tour.
Ciao, my name is Angelo. During this tour, you will be with me and you can ask all the questions and share also with your travel companion all your thoughts. Let's get started.